my friend. How are you? Today, we will learn words about the house. This is the kitchen. In the kitchen, I cook food and make tea. I like spending time here. Now, this is the living room. In the living room, I sit on the sofa, watch TV, and relax. Here we are in the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth, wash my hands, and look in the mirror. It is very important to keep clean. This is my bedroom. In the bedroom, I sleep in my bed, read books, and rest. It is my favorite place to relax. Now we are in the dining room. In the dining room, I sit at the table and eat meals with my family. It is a nice place to share food together. This is the garden. In the garden, I see flowers, water the plants, and enjoy the fresh air. It is very beautiful here. Here is the balcony. On the balcony, I drink juice, look at the street, and wave to my neighbors. It is small, but very nice. This is the basement. In the basement, we keep old things in boxes. It is a quiet place, but very useful. And finally, this is the attic. In the attic, I keep old boxes and things we do not use every day. It is a quiet part of the house. Congratulations for coming this far. You did a great job learning. Now, let's remember the rooms of the house again. This is the basement. This is the living room. This is the dining room. This is the kitchen. This is the garden. This is the balcony. Here we are in the bathroom. This is the bedroom. This is the attic. Thank you for joining me on this house tour. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one, my friend. Bye!